dealing with a bleed in babies and children. Babies and young children will get into lots of bumps and scrapes, and therefore the inevitable bleeds will occur. And therefore it's really important that if our baby cuts or grazes themselves and causes a bleed, we need to know what to do. If we are bleeding, we need to apply pressure with something that is clean and absorbent. Anything that you've got to hand that is clean and absorbent is absolutely fine to use. We apply pressure to the bleed to stop the bleeding process. We want the blood to clot. So by applying pressure, we are stopping the bleeding process. We can keep checking. And when the bleeding has stopped, we can remove the pressure and then move to cleaning the wound. Use a dressing pad from your first aid kit, and for babies and young children we recommend that you use just water with a dressing pad to clean the wound. Once the wound is clean, you are then able to apply a plaster. Make sure when you apply a plaster that you don't touch the white pad in the centre of the plaster, maintaining hygiene and reducing infection risk. Apply the plaster to the skin and make sure that you keep the wound clean to enable a good healing process. It's important to have a first aid kit with you when you're out and about so that you have this first aid tools with you should you need them. And with a bleed or any other injury with a baby and child, if you are concerned about them, seek medical advice. And if it is an emergency, please ring 999 or 112.